Hello everyone, and now I'd like you to see what are the results of your votes. What's your favorite activity with Twitter? There are only 5 people who voted for favorite activities with Twitter, and what do we see? Perhaps number 1 is vocabulary building, or class newspaper and Twitter poetry. Perhaps these are the champions in this big list, long list of activities with Twitter. By the way, what I do is I show you how to use a perfect technology to teach online, and it is Screencast-O-Matic technology. I can share my screen with you, and I can comment on what I am seeing and what I want to teach you. Try Screencast-O-Matic. Really great technology. Thank you so much.